What is going on, YouTube? This is Will 1LE. Just starting another video that I have. Me and my buddy here in the Ultima. We are going to a car meet right now. It's about an hour away. Just want to make some content for you guys. I'm currently in the Camaro SS 1LE, cruising right now. I'll probably start recording when we get there or start rolling in. They said it's going to be a good meet. So we're about to find out. It's been a while since I've been to one of these meets. I know it's an hour away, but I don't mind the cruise. There's not really any good car meets around here in my area. So that's why I drive like 45 minutes to an hour to these car meets here. It just stopped raining just now. You can see it's cloudy, but Virginia weather is weird. It's kind of like Florida. It was just 95 degrees today, and it just started pouring rain. So now it's really hot and humid, and I guarantee you in about 45 minutes, all the clouds are going to be gone, and it's going to be sunny now here shortly. But where I'm driving to now is, apparently they're saying it's sunny over there, no cloud. I mean, it is cloudy, or it's just cloudy, no sun, but it's not raining. So it should be fine. I'm gonna record some people's builds that are there. And we'll see what the turnout is, and I'm gonna pick up the camera when we get there, or I'm gonna just do like a little cinematic while we're over here or on the way there. Give you guys a little cinematic of what Virginia looks like while on the roads. Guys, you see all this rain? It just was like terrible. I couldn't see nothing, but now it's kind of, oh, there it goes. Can't see nothing. Welcome to Virginia, where the weather is unpredictable. But we're still going to the car meet because people are still saying that it's dry over in the location. So, and it's not going to rain at that location until 10 o'clock. So still headed there. The market front bumper. Looks like yours. I seen a R32 over there. I'm waiting for it to go over here. Probably bald. You got bald lights? People, please move. This is probably from the angle and the color. Everything blends in more. Yeah. Oh, now I just got smacked in the back. But they is right here. Yeah, exactly. That's what I wanted. Look at Maya. His Fenton is not good. Hey, well, don't forget me. 3,800 solo yard though. Bro, I already shouted you out. Shut up. But I've shot myself out, bitch. 06 with a fucking. Ooh, that bitch look good on this camera. Look. Look at Hassan's car. 800 wheel horsepower. I'm going down the line here. Okay, clean Porsche. This camera quality is actually amazing. I'm recording on my iPhone. This is a Carrera GT. Mustang, black, clean. 392. Volkswagen starts popping. Little cheap Volkswagen. Show him the storm. Show him the storm. I already showed him this, bro. Shut up. This was not worth it. The car meet is not worth it. Yeah, y'all seen on what I went through. Fuck RVA car meets. I hope that's not a group thing. Now everybody starts leaving. Fuck 804 meet. No. All the clean CRVs pulling up. Yeah, bro. That must Rice. Clean little Benz. It could be a standstill. Here go the Civics. That's a clean alley right here.
I'm over here like, what are you? What?
Yo, why is his one backside slouched like that?
Here comes the rain.
I told him.